In this video, we will learn how to pronounce this word as well as its meaning. So how do you say this word correctly? Worcestershire.
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire is a county in the West Midlands of England. It is known for its rural landscapes and the famous Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce adds a distinctive, savory flavor to many dishes. We took a scenic drive through Worcestershire and enjoyed the beautiful countryside.
Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
Way I deepen the flavor of my gravy and the colors with Worcestershire sauce rather than that gravy liquid stuff.
Maybe twice as much olive oil as he has lemon juice in there, and then a shot of Worcestershire sauce.
4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce.
On your pizza in Australia. As for condiments, they might be ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, chili sauce, or even mayo.
I've got my homemade buffalo sauce here. It's a mix of sriracha, butter, vinegar, a little Worcestershire sauce.
A little bit of Worcestershire sauce.
3 raw eggs, Worcestershire, and a sliver of ginger.
Well, we was all out of Worcestershire sauce.
Grapefruit juice or Worcestershire sauce?
Get yourself back to Worcestershire, kid.
Tomato juice, Worcestershire sauce.
It was recently vacated by the Countess of Worcestershire.
If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions.